Me too. Let's make some fried rice. Good idea. Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to make fried rice. Let's get started. Make sure you have adult supervision. You need a non-stick pan and turn your stovetop to high. Bing. 1 pack of bacon, diced, cooked. Make sure you stir a little bit. Two cups of veggies. Make sure they should be cut because you don't want to choke on them. Five scrambled eggs. Salt and pepper for taste. Four cups of cooked rice. Has to be cooked. Mix the rice in so it can be everywhere. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Scoop it, then push down so you can split up the rice. It looks good. Half cup of chopped green onions. Looking good. It looks like our fried rice is done. Don't forget to turn off the heat. Okay, I think we're good. This is what our fried rice looks like. Time to try it out. It tastes good. Tastes really good. It's like so good because I like the combination. I hope you liked this 5-minute fried rice video, and if you did, please give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!